Hello students, good morning. Let's start today's class. Today we will discuss about the temperate grassland. Yes student, this grassland is located in temperate region, that is lie between 40° north to 55° north in northern hemisphere and 40° south to 55° south in southern hemisphere. So this is the location of this grassland. Restaurant, the grassland are the largest green pastures on the earth. Largest green pasture मतलब बहुत बड़ा घास का मैदान है ये. These vast stretches of land are covered with tall grasses. This vast stretches means the area which is stretches, which is expanded of land, are covered with tall grasses and scattered trees. Means scattered tree means very less tree is there to see, means one tree is here and another tree will be mostly half kilometer after, or after 1.5 kilometer or 2 kilometer. So rarely their trees are shown, but grasslands is everywhere. Scattered trees. Next is location. As I told you about the location of this temperate grassland. The temperate grasslands are located on both sides of the equator, roughly between 40° north to 55° north in the northern hemisphere and 40° south to 55° south in the southern hemisphere. So keep in mind, in northern hemisphere 40° north to 55° north, and in southern hemisphere 40° south to 55° south. The grasslands are known by different name in the different parts. The grasslands are known by different name in different parts. Yes student, in different countries, in different countries, the grasslands are known by different name in different parts of the world. Yes student, in different parts of the country, this grassland is known as different name. Just for example, veld in veld in South Africa, veld in South Africa, steppes in Russia, savanna in Central Africa, pusta Hungary, downs in Australia, pampas in South America, prairies in North America. So these are the grassland known by different name in different countries. Next is climate. The temperate grasslands experience a huge difference in temperature. Yes student, the temperate grasslands experience a huge difference in temperature. Means very huge difference in the temperature in the temperate grasslands. The summer, in summer the temperature in this region can rise up to 38 degrees Celsius, while in winter the temperature may drop well below 0 degrees Celsius. The snowfall in winter helps the grasslands in retaining moisture of the soil. Means at this time, in this winter time, the snowfall and winter fall helps the grassland in retaining moisture of the soil. मतलब मिट्टी की नमी बनाए रखने के लिए जो स्नोफॉल है और विंटर है, ये इसमें मदद करता है. So it's all about the climate. And next is vegetation. As I told you, each and everything is depend on the climatic condition of the particular region that we are studying at and that we are living and that we are wish to go. Vegetation, as the name suggests, grasses are the dominant vegetation of the temperate grasslands. As the name suggests, grasses are the dominant vegetation of the temperate grasslands. Grasses are able to survive long periods. Grasses are able to survive long periods or of no rainfall. मतलब बहुत लंबे समय तक यहाँ की जो ग्रासेज हैं वो सरवाइव कर सकती हैं. लॉन्ग पीरियड ऑफ नो रेनफॉल, लंबे समय तक अगर बारिश ना हो. दे हैव द एबिलिटी टू शक मॉइस्चर, मतलब वहाँ की मिट्टी में मॉइस्चर को शक करने की या खींच के रखने की, रोक के रखने की जो है पावर है. एंड अडॉप्ट टू द क्लाइमेट. The soil in the soil is very fertile. In this region, soil is very fertile. This makes the grasslands the most fertile regions of the world. Dear student, the soil is very fertile of this region because soil have ability to suck the moisture from the nature, from the climate. The soil is very fertile. In this region, soils are very fertile. This makes the grasslands the most fertile regions of the world. Yes, student. These are the this make the grassland the most fertile region of the world. As we know about it that this region is full of this region is fertile. This region, as I told you, this makes the grassland the most fertile, the fertile region of the world. That's why here tall grasses are found and every man and animal enjoy there in grasses. Many types of grasses like blue, grama grasses, grass, buffalo grass, Johnson grass and gallets are found in this region. And next is wildlife. A large variety of grazing animals are found in the grassland. Yes, student, when there is the availability of grasses in this region, so it is understood that large variety of grazing animals are found in the grassland. As I told you before, each animal and man have the capacity. If there is any difficulty, their solution is also there. So my dear student, if this land is full of grasses, so here will be the availability of grazing animals. Grazing animal मतलब जो घास खाने वाले होते हैं, घास चरने वाले होते हैं animal, they will be found here. Animals and birds like bisons, gazelles, zebras, rhinoceros, wild horses, lions, wolves, prairie dogs, jack, rabbits, deer, mice, coyotes, foxes, skunks, blackbirds, crosses, meadows, meadowlarks, quails, sparrows, hawks, owl, etc. are found in this region. And now we will see the human life. When we talk about human life you can understand by this the temperature of this region. Human life, the rich and fertile soil of the temperate grasslands and abundance of natural fodder facilitate the rearing of animals. Yes, student, the rich and the fertile soil. As we know, here soil is very rich and fertile of the temperate grasslands and abundance of natural fodder facilitate the rearing animal. Abundance मतलब होता है बेटा पर्याप्त मात्रा, प्रचुरता of natural fodder. Fodder मतलब होता है the things which are eaten by animals. जानवरों का खाना, facilitate the rearing of animals. These conditions supports to rear the animal by the people. These animals are reared for milk and meat. Yes, student. These animals are reared for milk and meat that is used by human. The prairies have been one of the biggest food bowl of the world. Yes, student. The prairies have been one of the biggest food bowl of the world. Means a lot of food grains can be produced here. Livestock rearing is an important commercial activity. Livestock rearing, because of availability of too much grasses everywhere, where we can see everywhere there is grasses. The surplus fodder in the form of grass and stalks of wheat and other crops make it very convenient to raise in the cattle here. All these conditions help to rear animal in this region, because here too much availability of food and fodder for the animals. Cowboys on horsebacks is a common sight in the grasslands. Cowboys on horseback is a very common sight here. Everywhere we can see a cowboy on horseback. In South America, the cowboys are called gauchos, and the farms are called gauchos, and the farms are called estancias. So it's all about our today's class. That, my dear student, read this lesson carefully and try to do the underline of important line and prepare yourself for the half yearly exam. Enjoy your day and have a nice day. Thank you.